everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, let's just cook a very simple soup. This is the dried mushrooms and pork bone with chicken feet. So these are our ingredients, and let's just complete to wash it and then add water and then boil it for around 2 hours. And for our ginseng and the dates, we're going to add it in 5 minutes before we're going to turn off the fire. So this is just leave it there. So that's it. Let's just boil it for around 2 hours and then check and then serve after that. So that's very simple, easy, and quick. So that's our soup for today, guys. Let's have some. Thanks for watching, everyone.